You should stop using the Vlookup formula. Replace Vlookup with Xlookup. I'll explain 3 reasons why you should switch to Xlookup. Number 1. When you use Vlookup, you have to count the columns like this. If you use Xlookup, you no longer need to count the columns. You can directly specify the column where you want to display the result. First, select the lookup value you want to find, and select the column to search in. Finally, select the column where you want the result to appear. Number 2. In the Vlookup formula, if a value is not found, it shows an error. Thus, to fix that error, you must also use the second formula if error. In Xlookup, you can fix the error without any additional formula. Number 3. Before I explain number 3, I have a small request. I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers on my channel, so please subscribe. Your likes and subscriptions give me the motivation to create more videos. Number 3 is my favorite feature in Xlookup formula. Xlookup can be used not only for vertical lookups, but also for horizontal lookups. For example, as shown now, when you enter the employee ID, the related result values appear. This vertical format can also be used like a filter. If you want to know about the filter formula, please write a comment. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.